Hey guys, same vlog, but actually weed out some weeds. Wow. I weed out some weeds. It's going to rain. Yesterday me and watch rain, and I say, rain. If you fall yesterday, nobody fall today. The rain fall yesterday, and today come, and it did roll up on everything. I say, all right. It look like say we can do this. Me get up the things there, me get up the gloves there, me get up the hat, you know, me ready for work. Sun did that shine. You see, as me come out, guess what happened? The rain start fall, me now look. So, now, me just have to go call it a day, literally. And hopefully, tomorrow, I doubt it tomorrow, maybe next week, when me off again or so. I just try and angle this, but yeah guys, like me telling you, say me I be consistent, you understand? Yeah, me I be consistent. I'm working with you guys. Guys, I also wanted to say me reach over 1 million views. I never know, like, come let me dash you know I completely miss. Look at us. Crazy. Thank you guys so much. Thank you. Oh my god, I swear me appreciate it, guys. Remember the struggle was real to reach 1k, you know. 1k subscriber very hard, but y'all did it. No, I think we reached over 3k. Thank you guys, appreciate y'all so much. So you know, I have to be consistent, I have to come through, but big up on yourself. Thank you all so much for watching, and do remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe.